What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Doordash only from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So come along for the ride and stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. Yeah, it's been a while since I worked one app only, so just gonna be Doordash. And let's see how much can we make in 4 hours on an evening shift. Finger crossed. Doubt it we can make $20 an hour because I always like to multi-app, to always have two apps running. Rarely I work with one app, but never know. Let's try it and see how it goes. Okay, the time is 3:58. Doordash looking for orders. So our time start now. Woohoo! So I have my first one, 4.6 kilometers, $8. And it's Burger King. I'll accept it because Burger King now you could go inside. Before you had to go through the drive-thru. I think they changed it. And the time is 4:25. So after 25 minutes I get my first order. So this customer is 5 minutes away, 2.4 kilometers. I waited like 5 minutes inside. Wasn't bad, but wish your order was ready to go. I'm already behind 25 minutes. Base pay $6, customer tip $2. So this one is for $10, 1.8 kilometers. Popeyes. Woohoo! Good one, good one. Accept, accept, accept. Base pay $6, customer tip $4. Thank you very much. So the time is 5:11. I'm at $18. So this one is $11, 2.3 kilometers. Popeyes again. Popeyes, Popeyes. Accept, accept, accept. I know this is kind of boring, right, guys? It's all Popeyes. Well, I'm just gonna take the easy way, right? If this Popeye's sending me good orders, I'm just gonna park here all day. Okay, so let's go grab that food. This customer is 5 minutes away, 2.4. Base pay $6, customer tip $5. Thank you. So let's head back to Popeyes. So I have a Popeyes one again, 5.7 kilometers, $6. So this customer didn't tip. I'm not gonna accept it. No tip, no trip. I try to avoid these people that don't tip because most likely they are the ones that complain that they don't receive their food. So I'm not gonna take that risk. Decline, decline, decline. Because the base pay is $6 and it's only $6. Nope, 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 nope. No thank you, no thank you. Okay, this one is $11, 8.2 kilometers. Kilometers is pretty high, but it's over $1 per kilometers. So I'll accept that one. So I arrive at the restaurant. The worth of food is $62.15 and they only tip $5. What do you guys think? Should it be more, right? Base pay $6, customer tip $5. Right now I'm at $40. 2 hours and 20 minutes. $6, 6.9 kilometers. no tip. Hey guys, it's 7:05. For the past 30 minutes, no order. I don't know, I should log into Uber Eats, but I wanna work 4 hours and see how it goes with Doordash only. So I'll tough it out for 1 more hour. Not going so great so far. This is what you get when you work with one app. So I finally get one after 35 minutes. $11, 5.2 kilometers. I'll accept that one. And it's Popeyes. Popeyes number 3, I think. So this customer is 8 minutes away, 5.2. Base pay $6. Customer tip $5. Thank you. Look at that. 16 kilometers for $7.75. 22 minutes drive. What's Doordash? You go cuckoo? Are you went nuts or something? I don't know, understand. The person tip $1.75. Hey guys, it's 8:01. My shift has ended. What a painful 4 hours. Ridiculous. Painful. Guys wanna know how much I made? Ready for the summary? I guess I do the summary now because there's no Uber Eats, so I don't have to wait for any tips to come in. So I made $51 in 4 hours, just Doordash only. Minus $5 for gas, give us $46. Divided by 4 hours, give us $11.50. Very disappointed. Not happy. Oh well, it's a Tuesday and it's a nice weather. Maybe that's all factor in low wage. Lots of drivers are out when it's nice weather. When it's minus 40, less drivers on the road. So I'll give it another try, maybe a different zone like the Central, where I talked about there's lots of restaurants. It's close to downtown. Lots of expensive restaurants there. This zone that I work here, it's only Popeyes, kind of more of the expensive one. Original Joe's, but they don't open. They probably open only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's it. They don't open like during the week. And maybe 1 or 2 mom and pop restaurant that's really expensive. $11.50. That's crazy, right? But that's why I like to multi-app. I like to work with 2 apps, Uber Eats and Doordash. Doordash, skip the dishes. If you want to make good money, it's hard to depend on one app. You might make some, like when it's peak time, when it's really busy, like on a Friday, you might make $30 an hour, $20 an hour. But how consistent will that be, right? It's not consistent. You can't make that on a Tuesday night, on a Monday night, on a Wednesday night. No way. Unless there's an event, unless there's a sports event going on, in hockey and football. When hockey season starts, it's going to be really busy. When the Jets is playing, the Winnipeg Jets. Okay, guys, look out for the Winnipeg Jets this season. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to help grow the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.